Oh, what a beautiful morning. Check that out, guys. Flatters attack in the creek. So mesmerizing. That reflection coming off the water. Man, check this out. It's flatters attack today. Just cruising out of the creek now. Gonna head straight out to the island. Gonna do a bit of island hopping today, so hopefully get out of the mouth here. It is low tide, so yeah, I should be able to get out here. There's an opening. Look at that, guys. Right there. You can see the sandbar right here come across. It stops about there, and there's a little opening right there. Yeah, we'll be able to get out for sure. I'm out here today with Bud. It's going to be an awesome day, guys. Stick around and see what we get up to. We're going to do a bit of spearfishing, trawling, and really I didn't bring any food, so I'm going to cook up something for lunch, hopefully catch something. I've got a bit of water for me and Bud, and yeah, that's about it. Let's go see if we can get something. It's honestly too hard to pass up the opportunity of flying the drone right now, so I'm going to stop just outside the mouth here, chuck this bad boy up, send her up in the air. So I've just rocked up to the outer skirts of this wreck. I looked it up on Google here. It says the SS City of Adelaide. The City of Adelaide ran aground at Cockle Bay in the 1916s. While being transported, it is located 300 meters offshore and can be accessible during the low tide. Hidden by the sea of mangroves, the City of Adelaide is off the beaten track experience, but it sure does excite the sense. So you can actually see why it probably ran aground here. I'm literally tracking through knee-deep water to get to this wreck. But we're gonna hike our way in. The wreck's just there, I can see it from here. Check that out, bud. There it is. There's the shipwreck, guys. The SS Adelaide. We're just gonna track a bit more in. Cool, eh, bud? It's actually so sick. There's actually mangroves growing on the side of the boat because it's been here for so long. Yeah, there's a bit of action around. That's so sick. Oh, had a bit of action on the other side. Wow, look at that. That's from 1916, so that's been there, that's been sitting there a long while. Do the calculations, but that's been sitting there a very long while. Might chuck the drone up in the air, have a fly around it. Up ahead of me is a bit of a storm, so hopefully it doesn't come down too hard and it just passes. She's coming down now. I'm just going to slow down, put this canopy up. Just slowed down, it started raining. I put my awesome canopy up. And yeah, hopefully that stops the rain from coming in. I'm going to chuck this lure out, the old mackerel buster, and yeah, going to trawl my way to that rock over there. We got that helicopter flying back over here now. I'm pretty sure they said before on the radio a boat's in distress, but they haven't heard from them yet, so I think they might be trying to find that boat. Just here. No luck there, guys. Gotta head straight to the islands now and go have a look. Righto guys, I think I found a good spot. There's some isolated bommies here. Just off the island there. And yeah, gonna jump in, have a snoop around. See if we can catch some lunch, baby. Got a beautiful gold spot cod just at the back of the boat here. Last one to take home for the family. But I'm definitely gonna need lunch still, so I'm gonna change spots now, just around the corner here. Hopefully get a trout or something for lunch. But yeah, look how beautiful that fish is. Gold spot cod. Put him straight out of his misery with one shot. Just threw the anchor out. There's a bommy right beside the anchor there. I'm out in the front of the island here. I still haven't caught lunch and it's 1 o'clock. And man, I'm starving, so I'm gonna have to jump in and try to catch something for lunch, cook it up on the wraps, a bit of salad, and it should be sweet. So I'm gonna gear up again, jump in for another look, and I'll see you under the water. Oh man, look at that, buddy. Finally made it to the beach. Buddy's having a run. The sun's starting to go down now actually. I spent too long trying to catch that crow. But that's all good, baby. We made it, we got some good fish. A crow, can't complain about that. Got some wraps, got some salad, got some butter. I'm gonna cook this trout up. Man, I'm so hungry, I haven't eaten all day. I'm exhausted as well, so I'm gonna cook this wrap up and eat it. Get the sunset and probably head straight back home. Now I forgot my tongs, so I'm just using some sticks. Probably should bring tongs next time, but anyway, that's what you gotta do out in the wild. trout wrap. You want some? Gentle. That's about it for another video, guys. If you like this video, give us a like, comment, subscribe. I'm about to chuck the drone up now, catch this sunset, and keen to see you guys on the next one. Cheers, mate.